Hi, this is Sandy Coyne-Gilbert, and I'm going to give you a short tour through the forum discussion topic rubric. As you know, you've been participating in discussion for the first 2 weeks, and I have not graded anything in a formal way. We're going to begin using rubrics in week 3. I wanted you to see the rubric. You can currently find it in your classroom under lecture, and this discussion, this small video will go in there as well. So what I want you to do is look as I scroll through, and you can see the things that are part of this rubric. First, your response to the forum discussion, responses to other students, style, which includes how you use the language, the mechanics, and your organization of your response. Those are the 3 critical areas. You'll also notice that the categories are going down on the left. Across the top in a banner is a score, and that score indicates how well you've done in that particular category. If you look, there's some small differences between each of them. But there's a huge difference between an excellent response and a poor response. It's really critical that you make sure you understand the question. If the question doesn't make sense to you, then please let me know. The reason I say that is a lot of times people have an idea of what is wanted by me or any other instructor, but they're not quite sure how to focus it. I urge you to use your academic writer to store your original post. Remember, you're going to do an original post. That's the response to the forum discussion topic. And then you're going to respond to 2 or 3 of your classmates. That's in the category of responses to other students. Your style element here is about how you write and if people can understand you. Notice that in the excellent column, not only is it free of grammar and spelling errors, but your ideas are coherently and cohesively communicated. People can understand what you're saying. And then also references are cited correctly. In week 3, I'm not looking as much for your references as I am looking for your format. If you use academic writer and write your original post in there, and then you cut and paste it into your discussion board, it might change a little in its overall setup, but if you're careful, you can make that work for you. This is an opportunity to really understand what you're doing. I urge you to spend the time and acquaint yourself with this forum discussion topic rubric. Make sure that you respond to the topic, respond to other students, and also that you keep it in mind that you need to have good format. If you have any questions about how to participate in a forum discussion, please let me know and I'll gladly help you. Thanks so much.